Ever thought of making your home a treasure trove of coins and bills? Welcome to the exciting money treasure hunt. Picture this, your home, a map, and hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. As you navigate through the rooms, you'll find different types of money. Each coin, each bill holds its own unique value. This isn't just a game, it's a journey to understand the worth of each dime, nickel, and dollar bill you find. What a thrilling adventure. Now let's move on to our next fun-filled activity. Who doesn't love a good game of bingo? But have you ever played Money Bingo? It's a fantastic way to transform learning about currency into a riveting game. Just imagine, each bingo card filled with images of various coins and bills. As you dive into this game, you're not just crossing off numbers, you're recognizing and learning about different types of money. How thrilling! Bingo! That's another fun way to learn about money. Let's see what's next. It's craft time. Ready to create your own piggy banks? All you need are some everyday materials, a dash of creativity, and a sprinkle of patience. Start by choosing your base. A bottle, a jar, even a shoebox can work. Decorate as you like, maybe with some colorful paper or stickers. This fun activity not only sparks your creative spirit, but also introduces the concept of saving money. And voila! You've made your very own piggy bank. Congratulations on your new piggy banks. Now let's move on to our next money adventure. Superheroes assemble! Are you ready for the Superhero Savings Challenge? In this thrilling adventure, you'll earn pretend money by completing heroic tasks. Perhaps you'll rescue a toy from the clutches of a towering shelf or bravely tackle the monster mess in your room. Each heroic deed earns you cash to stash away. By the end of the challenge, you'll see how your savings have soared, just like our superheroes. Well done, superheroes! Now let's discover how to earn real money. How about setting up your own business? Let's start with a lemonade stand. This is a fantastic way to learn about earning money. From choosing lemons to setting the right price for your refreshing drink, you're in control. This activity promotes entrepreneurship and introduces basic business concepts. You're not just selling lemonade, you're making decisions, managing resources, and learning valuable lessons about running a business. Great job, young entrepreneurs! Now let's dive into the magical world of money tales. Ready for some enthralling tales about money? Cozy up because it's time for captivating stories that weave lessons of value, sharing, and saving into their narrative. Listen closely as these tales unfold, each one a journey into the world of money, introducing you to the concept of financial literacy in a fun and engaging way. Each story is a treasure trove of knowledge, making learning about money a delightful experience. What enlightening tales! Now let's get our hands on some coins. Ready for a thrilling coin stacking challenge? It's time to put those nimble fingers to work. Each coin, from the humble penny to the mighty quarter, has its own unique size and value. As you carefully stack these coins into a towering pillar, you're not just building a monument to your fine motor skills. You're also learning to recognize and appreciate the different values of each coin. Well done, stackers! Now, let's gather the family for a thrilling board game night. Gather around, family, it's time for a budget board game night. Imagine a board game that mirrors life's financial twists and turns. Each roll of the dice brings a new scenario, a fresh decision to make. Will you invest in a business or save for a rainy day? Through these playful choices, we learn the essentials of budgeting and financial planning. And the best part? We're doing it together, strengthening our family bonds. What a fun family night. Now, let's embark on a virtual museum tour. Ever visited a museum dedicated to money? Well, strap in for a ride through history as we venture into the virtual money museum. From ancient forms of barter to the advent of coins, and from paper money to digital currency, we'll unravel the intriguing chronicles of our monetary system. This virtual expedition isn't just about the past, it's also a glimpse into the future of finance. What a fascinating tour! Remember, learning about money can always be fun and educational. Until next time, happy learning!